We are in Venice, Italy today. We are starting out the day in Murano. So just a short boat ride from the heart of Venice is Burano, a tiny island famous for its brightly painted houses where everywhere you walk is so colourful. Homeowners here actually have to get approval from the government before they paint their house or change the colour of the house, and they are only allowed to choose from a specific palette. Over here. I need to reapply my Stop Itching cream. My bite is turning into a golf ball size. So I'm sat by the water reapplying. It is so beautiful here. It's so colourful. It's a nice place here. And today we're here on a Sunday and it's actually very quiet for the, I suppose, time of day. But I guess it's still early, 10 o'clock. We've been here since 9. So they just rung the bells because it is 10. We are going to explore the place. People are rowing their boats. It's a very peaceful area. It's very quiet. I have no one around me and there are quite a bit of tourists arriving already, but it's still the morning. Now, since we were here early in the morning, it was just so nice to walk around and it being so quiet and peaceful. If you want to come here with less crowds and pretty much have it all to yourselves, come here early. A lot of people like to visit Murano and Burano in the same day, like we are doing, and later in the day you'll get a lot of people who come here who have visited Murano first. We are at a cafe. I got this whipped iced coffee. Let's try it. Oh, I only like sweet coffee, so it's not that sweet. It's thick though, like super thick. We've got this tart looking thing. And Baz said it might be, he said he can't remember. So Baz is Italian. He said he can't remember, but it might be rice inside. I quite like it. So what is it? Sweet rice? I do like rice. Anyways, what I'm really excited about are these. One's cream and one's pistachio, maybe. Let's try it. What one do you want to try? Go on, pick one, try. Got this one. They're like cannoli looking things. So, oh my god, it's like proper stuck. Oh my god, it's so stuck to my inner parts of my teeth. It's not coming off. So where we sat, next to us, there was a sign saying the original and traditional biscuits of Burano. So after we ate, we headed straight next door to buy some. So this store sells Bussolà, which is Burano's traditional biscuit. These biscuits date back centuries and were originally made by fishermen's wives, designed to last a long time at sea. So they are very dense, full of flavor. It's a great little souvenir to take home or a little nibble to eat whilst you're on the island. Look how cute the bag is. It's all pink. So we went to the bakery that was next to the cafe place that we were at. Not really sure how to pronounce what it's called. Carmelina something. But the bag's cute, matches the outfit. But I will not be carrying the bag. Here you go. We got a tart. Baz and I love tart. Also got some biscuits to take home. We just got like a mixed bag that's small because we don't have a lot of luggage space to bring back. So it's got mixed berries on top and I hope it's quite custardy because I like custard. Let's take a bite with a strawberry. Very custardy. Got a nice view of dog shit in front of us with the water on the side of us. That's the church. With a choach. Yeah, so let's head to Murano. Murano is a small series of 7 islands, which is just a short boat ride from Burano. It is the global capital for glass making, a tradition that dates back to the 13th century. There are many studios which offer free glass blowing demos, which we will go to. It is also a cool place to explore and just take in the scenery. There's a seagull. Buongiorno, my friends. We have arrived in Murano, known for glass. So we will see some glass making, maybe, if it's not too busy. Because, oh my God, the line here, the line to go on the, what do you call it? Water taxi. It's very long. I just prepared. Be prepared. We have arrived in Murano at peak sun strength at what time? It's 2 p.m. It's hot. So we're like, we arrived, we had a little walk and we're like, you know what? We need to chill in some aircon. So at this cafe with some sorbet. We've got lemon sorbet, peach melon sorbet, just to cool down and just have a little break because the sun, I can't take it. Well, my bite. I'm growing another arm. A must-do when you are in Murano is to see a glass demo. There are loads of places that you can see it for free or for a fee. We went to a paid one, and here they run you through the whole process from the molten glass in the furnace to finishing the glass piece. I really wish I could tell you more about it, but I was the only one who didn't speak Italian in this group, and I think they thought that everyone was Italian because it was all in Italian, so I could not tell you a word that was going on. Just visuals, and even though I didn't understand a word, I thought it was a very cool experience. We finally got aircon working, turns out, because housekeeping left the window open so aircon wouldn't turn on, so we came back to our room, which was not airconned. That's got me a bracelet from the, what do you call it, the glass factory, and I'm gonna wear it. Looks like this. It's got little glass balls. Oh, it does on here, it says Murano glass. No way. Yeah, this is the only souvenir we got from Murano. 25 euros, so compared to everything else that was there, oh my God, one little tiny thing. Oh, $85, and it was like so small. Pick up something else, 300, not dollars, euro. Yay, I think it's quite cute. Oh, I shouldn't have worn this arm. Got my big giant arm coming up my arm. Come on, biscuit. We're eating fried mixed fish from Frito Inn. Pronunciation 0 out of 10. So we got the mixed one, so it's a mix of like small fish. We got, what fish is this? I don't know. Big fish. It's not actually big. Small little fish, squid, prawn. I like how they gave us 2 little sticks that I think people usually share.
At the end of the night, we ended up walking around and stumbled upon this place, and this was my favorite restaurant I've been to in the whole time I was in the Venice area. If you love seafood, this place is just so nice. If they even offered for you like help if you want to help take the lobster out, but I said no, I want the whole experience. I want to do it myself. It is so delicious, so flavorful. It's if I come back to Venice, I am coming to this restaurant. There is also live music playing whilst you're eating. The environment, the hospitality, everything about this restaurant was superb. And then afterwards, we went and got some ice cream and headed straight home because I was scared I was going to get another mosquito bite, because a lot of my mosquito bites come from the night time. So, good night.